So in the last sessions, we have discussed about this functions, right? So you guys are gone through that what is meant by single row function and multi-row function, theoretical part. Yes. So what is meant by single row function? Anyone can answer it?
There will be multiple input
Mhm.
and multiple output.
Yes, but in a multi-row functions, multiple input, n number
Single,
of input
single output.
to provide single output. Correct? So based on this condition, we have a types: count function, maximum function, minimum function, and sum function and average functions. Okay. So let's discuss on one by one. Let's go for the maximum function first before going to the count function. Okay. So in the table, I can open the table first. So you guys able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I can select use QA circle databases and show tables. So, select staff from employee table. Okay. So in this, you can take it as in the salary column, which was the maximum value. What is the maximum salary of here?
9,000.
9,000, right? So we want to find out the maximum value and minimum value and count of these functions. All we can able to execute in this salary columns, correct? So how do we execute in this maximum? Let's see here. Okay. So first, I want to check it on the salary. So salary, what is the maximum of salary? We can find it. Select max of salary. So, and from table name. So are you guys getting the maximum of salary?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we find the minimum of salary? So instead of max, we have to provide
Min of salary.
minimum. All right. Minimum of salary. So what is the minimum of salary in this column? 1,000. Yes. You can see this. Is this minimum salary for 1,000?
Yes.
Getting multi-row functions? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So as per multi-row function, this is multi-row functions. Okay. So what is the condition I'm performing here? Excuse. Maximum of function. Function means what is the salary column name? Okay. Or we can do for minimum salary. This is the parameters. So here we are providing data, multiple data, n number of data. In that, if I perform first on this data, okay, if I'm performing for this data as a maximum data, so the single output. So if, for example, I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. Okay. So what is the maximum of salary in this table, in this input? We have n number of inputs, correct? So I should get the single output only, right? Out of this maximum salary, which is 8,000. So the output will be 8,000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'll be performing minimum salary, what will be the minimum salary function? 1000. Got it? So you're performing n number of input, providing a single output. That is called as a multi-row functions. So especially it will go for only the which you have digits, because salary is a count functions, right? So the values of functions, that's the reason you can go to, you cannot apply with other columns. So I can apply with other columns. Max of I can give for job. So based on that, what you will get if I'm doing max? Is it taking as a letter? First letter should be the maximum. So since it is not a valid things, okay, if you're performing apart from the salary, you should not perform with any other columns. Got it? Always you can perform with the salary, count values, number columns. Okay. So I can do it. So sum of salary, what will happen if I'm giving sum of salary? Sum of salary, what will happen? I'm getting 1,37,000. It means it will be adding for all the salaries and providing for this sum of salary. Understood?
Yes.
I hope it's clear, everyone. Got it? Okay. I can perform with the count of stars. So the count of functions I'm performing with all the tables. Okay. That's the reason I'm giving as a star. Star is indicates what? What does the star indicates? All employee
All
details,
the column.
all the columns. So what does that means? Is it 23 rows? Correct? It's, it's counting the rows of number of datas in the inside the table. Yes. So it will always represent the count of star. Okay. So I can execute one more things. For this count of star, comma, max of salary, max of salary, and from employee, we can do this where condition, where job is equal to tester. What does
Yes.
this mean?
After salary and maximum salary it will come. Total salary
So
and
here the count of data, is it
salary.
showing the maximum salary or count of the number of employees? Let's say we can execute. What will get the data?
Count number of testers.
Yes. So here, if I'll be execute the 8, what is the 8 means? The count values in this table where the job is equal to tester. In that, you have a data. Who is the maximum salary of in this data? Okay, out of 8, who will be the maximum salary? I hope it's clear. So I can execute, select. For your understanding, I'm giving one more thing. Star from employee, where job is equal to tester. So how many datas are there? 3. Here 6. and 7 and 8, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it the count is correct? Number of count, the tester counts. So before you understanding this query, you should understand here. So you have finding for who are all working the where job is equal to tester, those employees, correct? So in this, are we able to retrieving properly for all the employees who are working in tester?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what? How many people are working in tester? Count. Is it 8?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this 8 members, which one is the maximum salary?
9,000.
9,000. So 9,000 we are getting. Correct? Is it correct the answer? Okay. So let's I can found it. Minimum salary. Minimum. Same query. Okay. I'm adding the few more things. Minimum salary. Sum of salary and average salary. So we have these are the functions. Yes. From employee where job is equal to tester. See, in this, are we have do we getting the 8 number of counts, all the testers? Clear? Just look into this table. So in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
table, 8 members and the maximum salary is 9,000. What is the minimum salary?
4,000.
4,000. So why it is 4,000? I have applied the where condition. So if you not mention the where condition, definitely it will be the 1,000. Correct? So 1,000, the role is testing. It is not a tester. Understood? Getting? Sum of salary means it is adding all the overall working in the tester. Those salary will be adding here. Understood? And the same way, average salary means it is sum of salary divided by 8. So are we getting the same average salary also? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you guys are getting now. So what I am putting, these are the multiple inputs I'll be providing. So whenever you are expecting from each types of multi-row functions, so you will get the single output comparing this multiple inputs. Understood now? Multi-row functions. This is very simple. Okay. So you understood here this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's take the notes. We'll work on the real-time examples on this multi-row function. Then you will understand better way. Okay. Yeah. So let's go for the taking is already taken for the types of multi-row function.
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
Okay. Take the first type, count function. Count function. Count function. Under that copy, it is used to count, it is used to count number of records provided as input. It is used to it is used to count number of records. It is used to it is used to count the number of records provided as input. Full stop. Next line. Count function will take single arguments. Count function will take single arguments. Count function will take single argument. Select count of star. This is very important, okay? Count of star or column name. We can provide it column name also here. It is not mandatory to give only the star. Either you can provide the column name as well. Count of star or column name from table name. From table name and you can give where condition if it is required. Okay, where condition is a optional. Where condition. Done. Copied. Is it copied? Count function syntax.
Yes, ma'am.
Others still copying. Done. So next take it as a maximum function. Max function. So under that copy, it is used to display the highest value in the input column. It is used to display highest value in the it is used to display highest value in the input column. Highest value in the input column. It is used to display highest value in the input column. Next line. Maximum function will take single arguments. 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 Then copy the syntax. Select max of column name from table name where condition. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you guys tell this minimum function now? You understood maximum function?
It is used to display lowest value in the input column.
Yes, copy the same. It is used to display the minimum or lowest value in the input column. It is used to display minimum or lowest value in the input column. Next line. Minimum function will also take single arguments as a output. Minimum function will take single arguments in the output. Copy the syntax. Minimum function. Minimum function. Done. Copied the syntax. Once it is copied, let me know. Next, take it as a sum function heading.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Copied. Everyone. Copied everyone. Next, sum
Yes,
function.
ma'am.
Copy it under that. Continue sum function. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the total value in the input column. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the total value in the input column. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the total value in the input column. Input column. Or it is used to perform. It is used to perform summation of all the values in the input column. Or it is used to perform summation of all the values in the input column. In the input column. In the input column. Next slide. It will take single arguments. It will take single arguments. And the syntax, copy here. Select sum of column name from table name where condition. Select sum of column name from table name where condition. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last function is average functions. Average functions. Copy that. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the average value in the column. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the average value in the column. It is used to calculate average value in the column. Done? Shall I repeat? It is used to take, it is used to calculate the average value in the column. Next line. It takes single arguments. It takes single arguments. It takes single arguments. Syntax. Select average column name from table name where condition method. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next example number 1. Copy. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Display the number of employees, the number of employees working in department number 20. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the number of employee is working in department number 20. Done? Shall I repeat it once again? So how do we execute it? What is the question? Anyone can tell this? Who can explain this? Rakesh, can you explain it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Write a
So what does
query
the
to
question mean?
write a query to display all the write a query to display the number of employees working in department number 20.
Yes. So here, what is the meaning of that query? I need
Maximum of
counts. So we need number of employee counts were working in department number 20. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
So how many are working here? Department number 20. 1, 2, 3,
3,
and 4, 5, and
6.
6. Correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, for your understanding, I'll just execute the overall working in the department number 20. Okay? For your understanding, it is not actual query. Previously, you have learned how you learned it from employee, where star means is displaying all the employee details. Correct? Department number is equal to 20. So is I'm getting here data, the row of the data, all the employee details. This is not the actual answer right now. So just for your understanding, I'm just showing how many people are working in department number 20. How many are working?
5, 6.
6. Is it correct? What I have calculated in this main table also? Done? So now let's see this. So I want count function only, correct? Because here I am finding for the number of employees, right? So how do we execute it? Select count of, what is the column name I have to give it? Should I need to give star completely? So I should give the star. I need the count, right? Yes. From employee, where TPT number is equal to 20. So is I'm getting 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Even though here I'll be giving as a DPT department number column from employee. So is I'm getting proper? If I'm giving column name also, I hope it's clear now, this query. So here I'll be displaying the count of numbers of employees where department number is equal to 20, who are all working in department number 20. So how many are working in the developer sessions, like in the department number 20 section, 6 people are working there in this employee organization. I hope it's clear. This is for your reference I have given. Okay. So always you have to execute select star from employee where department number is equal to 20. Clear? It's not visible. It's visible right now.
Yeah, visible, ma'am.
Yeah. Copy this query. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next query, copy that. Example 2. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees. Number of employees working as a tester. Working as a tester, and also display their highest salary. write a query to display number of employees working as a tester, working as a tester, and also display their their highest salary, their highest salary. Anyone can answer this query? Lohit, can you try it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll help. Okay, if you missed anything. Yeah, you can try it at least. First, what we have to execute it?
Uh, First, we need to count number of employees where testers
So that is
count.
for your reference I have given. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, you
Count.
can directly tell the now queries.
Okay, select count star
Count star.
from employee.
Read the query once again.
So, ma'am, count number of employees from count number of employees from employee
Mm-hmm.
where job is equal to tester and uh, salary
Read it.
and salary. I forgot, ma'am, that one.
And also display their highest salary. Correct? The query?
Displaying the highest salary.
Yes. So in that situation, can I give it as a maximum of salary?
Ma- Maximum salary, ma'am.
Yes. Is it correct? Where? Job is
Job is
equal
equal to tester.
tester. So how many employees are there? Testers, 8 members in the table, employee table, and also in that year 8 members. Out of this, the maximum salary is 9,000. Is it getting everyone? Confusion?
Max salary means everyone is getting 9,000 now in that.
No, I am telling where job is equal to tester. In this job tester who are working in that as a tester, right? The
Okay,
count of
okay. In that
salary of this, yes. I'm
in that eight
specifying the
people are
tester.
there, right?
So in this 8 people, who
And
is getting the maximum? Which is the maximum salary in the tester? I'm not comparing with the employees. I'm comparing with the testers.
okay, in testers, maybe the
Mm.
maximum is 9,000. Who is
Yes.
getting that one? It is showing.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Got it. So we
Yeah,
had discussed here, right? Who are all working as a tester. Correct?
yeah. In that it has showed what is the maximum salary.
Yes, it's a 9,000.
Okay, okay.
So if I'll be executing as a minimum, then it will be the 4,000.
Minimum
We have
4,000.
executed, right? Examples.
Okay,
And total salary for who are working in the testers, then it would be adding. Average means it will be add and divided by number of employees, 8.
okay, okay, ma'am.
Getting?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Anybody is having still confusions? How I'll be taking this query? Count of star and maximum of salary? Clear? I hope it's clear everyone. This is very important. Multi-row functions. Okay. At least one question they will ask. If you guys have any doubt, let me know. Once it is copied, let me know. Done?
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah. So next query, write a query to display, write a query to display number of employees, number of employees working as a developers, working as a developer, and and also display, also display their highest salary, and also display their highest salary, comma, lowest salary, lowest salary, comma, sum of all the employee salary, sum of all the employee salary, and and average salary, and average salary. Repeating once again, write a query to display number of employees working as a developer, and also display their highest salary, comma, minimum salary, comma, sum of all the employee salary, and and average salary, and average salary. Done? Shall I repeat once again?
No, done, ma'am.
Repeat.
Okay.
Shall I repeat?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write a query to display number of employees working as a developer, working as a developer, and also display their highest salary, comma, lowest salary, comma, sum of all the employee salary, and average salary, and average salary. Done? Vani, can you answer this query?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Select count
Select count.
in bracket employee. I give a star. Okay.
Okay.
Comma.
Mm-hmm.
Max bracket
Mm-hmm.
salary.
Mm-hmm.
Comma.
Okay.
Minimum minimum
Mm-hmm.
bracket salary.
Mm-hmm.
Comma.
Mm-hmm.
Sum sum in
Okay.
bracket salary.
Mm-hmm.
Comma. Average AVG
Okay.
bracket salary
Mm-hmm.
from employee
From employee
where
where
job equals to
job is equal to
in comma developer.
comma.
Sorry,
Inverted quotes. Double
uh,
inverted quotes.
double.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
So are we getting the count properly? The developer, how many are working in this here? 6. In that, maximum is 9,000, minimum is 4,000, sum is 45,000, average is 7.5 thousand, right? So how did we execute this? For your reference, let I can retrieve all the data who are all working in developer. Okay. From employee where job is equal to developer. Okay. So is I'm getting the data who are all working in the developer in this employee table. So is that 6 data only? Count is correct. The number of employees are working in developer. as a job? In that, which is the maximum and which is the minimum? I have only two salary only, right? So in that, 9,000 will be the highest salary and minimum salary will be 6,000. So sum of this means it should be adding all these salary and divided. Average salary means it's adding the sum of salary divided by the count number of who are working as a developer. Understood? Clear? Any doubt? Hello.
No, ma'am, it's good.
Okay. So copy that. Next query. Copy this query. Okay, this is for your reference I have given. So the main answer query is this. Select count of star, max salary and minimum salary, sum of salary, average salary from employee where job is equal to developer. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's completed, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take the example, third example. Write a query to display number of employees. Write a query to display number of employees, number of employees, write a query to display number of employees, maximum salary, comma, minimum salary, maximum salary, comma, minimum salary, and total salary, total salary, total salary, whose name start with yes, whose name start with yes, whose name start with yes. I'm repeating once again. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employee, number of employees, maximum salary, comma minimum salary, and total salary whose name is start with yes character. Whose name is start with yes character. Vani, can you try this query?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Select
Mm-hmm.
maximum salary.
Okay, not required for count function.
Yeah, number of employee. Display number of employee maximum salary. Yes.
So number of employees means it should be on count, right?
Okay. Yeah. Count
Okay.
star, comma,
Mhm.
maximum salary, comma,
Mhm.
minimum salary,
Minimum salary.
some
So
total
they're
salary,
asking total. Okay.
some salary
Mhm.
from employee
From employee,
where
where condition. Here it is important.
where EMP name
EMP name
like
like
double inverted comma,
Okay,
S modulus.
good job. You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is that correct, others? Shall we execute?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
So it means first in this table, who are all name is start with this, that is the count of the here. So in that who are all name is start with yes letter, those out of that employee we have a maximum and we have a minimum, and here it will be the sum of salary. Understood? So for your understanding, for your kind information, I'll give it as a normal query. Okay. Select star from employee where emp name like S. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's again execute once again. Select star from employee where, what is that, emp name like so yes modulus. Right? Correct? So here it is filtering whose name is start with only the S letter in this table. How many data were there? 3, 6, 7. Correct? In this 7 data, which one is the maximum salary? 9,000? Yes or no? Hello? Yeah. So in this minimum value is 2,000. So sum means you have all be adding with this whose name is start with the letters. Is I'm getting the proper data?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Copy this query. Done? Once it got copied, let me know.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Others copied? Let's see this another query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display employees, number of employees, and maximum salary is having maximum salary is having maximum salary is having 3 consecutive zeros. 3 consecutive 0. Write a query to display number of employees and maximum salary is having 3 consecutive 0. 3 consecutive 0. So what does it mean by 3 consecutive 0? Anybody heard about this name?
It should be 3 zeros. If any
3
salary.
zeros,
Yes.
right? So how do we execute it? Select count of star. Pavan, answer this. Select count of star. Pavan can answer this query.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
write a query to display maximum salary is having 3 consecutive 0.
So max of
Max
salary,
salary.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then
I
only
mean,
those two are expected, right? So
yes, ma'am.
from employee table, where those 3 consecutive 0, right? The salary. Salary like,
Like
so it might be the anywhere 3 consecutive 0.
3
Okay.
0
3
model.
modulus, 3 0 modulus.
Yes.
So the 3, what I am telling in that particular column, who is having 3 0? Those that should be the continuous 3 0. Those
Yes.
employees you have to count it. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, all employees having 3 zeros, right? In a original table. Correct?
Yes.
So there is no 4 zeros, right? Only
No.
3 0. So in this, is it count is correct? 23. And that 23 data, the maximum salary is 9,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, everyone? Yeah, copy this. 3 consecutive means it should be the present in 3 0 minimum. Okay. Copy that query. Done? Copy. So I'll give you 2 queries for assignment in this multiple functions, next 2 queries. So tomorrow you guys need to execute and come back. Okay. Copy that query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display maximum salary, comma minimum salary and average salary. Write a query to display maximum salary. Write a query to display maximum salary, write a query to display maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary, average salary, average salary, average salary. Write a query to display maximum salary, comma minimum salary and average salary. Working as admin, working as admin, working as admin
Can you
in
repeat from average salary?
which one?
From average salary.
Average salary, working as sales in, sorry, working as admin in department number 30. In department number 30. Write a query to display maximum salary, minimum salary, and average salary working as admin in department number 30. 30. Done? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees, comma, total salary, and average salary, total salary and average salary for all the employees, those who are working, working department number 20 or 30. Write a query to display number of employees, comma, total salary and average salary for all the employees, those who are working, department number 20 or 30, who are working department number 20 or 30. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you guys execute this query as assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys didn't observe one thing here. So till now we have done it on the multi-row function, right? In the select statement. Why can't we do this column name also? Column name with, can we do it column name with multi-row functions? Like select column name, salary, comma, count of star and count of maximum salary. Can we do it?
No, ma'am.
Why? Any reason? Anybody knows? So we can execute. Are they getting the data? But the salary is getting 8,000. It's wrong, right? Yes or no? So see here, it will be the count will be the 23, correct? So salary means we don't know the which salary is coming. It's some random salary is getting here, right? So the maximum salary is correct. Out of this, all the salary, the maximum salary is 9,000, right? And those who are consecutive zero is three zeros, correct? So we are getting the incorrect data of the salary data. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you're performing in select statement as a multi-row functions, we cannot use the column name directly. Okay. So, okay, ma'am. Fine. Directly it is not coming. So then how will be coming the column name? I want the column name, right? If you want to use column name along with multi-row functions, we have to use in the select statement group by class. Remember the topic group by class initially? I have given the topic, right? Group by class and having class. So whenever you want to perform in the select statement column name along with the multi-row functions, then you have to be used group by class. Okay. So tomorrow I'll teach you on the group by class, how we can able to use and what is this, how do we execute in the real time and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just take the notes. Okay. Take the note as of now. Take the first note. First point, we cannot use column name. We cannot use column name along with multi-row function in select statement directly. We cannot use column name along with multi-row function in select statement directly. We cannot use column name along with multi-row function in select statement directly. Done? Shall I repeat? Second point, under that note, copy second point. If we want to use column name along with multi-row function, if we want to use column name along with multi-row function, column name along with multi-row function in select statement, we have to group by using group by class. If we want to use column name along with multi-row function, column name along with multi-row function in select statement, we have to group by using group by class, using group by class. So tomorrow we'll discuss about group by class method. Okay, take the heading. This is also very, very important. We'll do it on the tomorrow sessions. I hope it's clear, everyone. Copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So whatever I have executed now, right? The multi-row function, everything just execute on your laptop and share the screenshot in the group. Okay. Will you guys do it? Once you are executed? Yeah. So any doubt on the today sessions?
No, ma'am.